It's Unplugged, yo. I'm trying to do this fucking this T.I. shit. I'm trying to find this shit. I done wrote this shit, man, years ago. So just want to try to go through it with me real fast. Check out what the fuck I'm doing, man. See all this fucking music I gotta go through it. Check and find the verse, I mean the song, cause I wrote it a lot of years ago, man. You know what I mean? It's mad fucking music. Word. Yeah. Right. I mean, you know what I mean? It's like, I got so much music that I don't even really gotta write no more, you feel me? But I just be having different feelings, different vibes, so I write, you know what I mean? Sometimes, I mean, it's really just a habit. Yeah. It's this one right here. That's just this one. See, it wasn't in that one. See if it's in this one. Let me see. I seen it a couple days ago, so I know I still got it. Fuck. I hope I find it before the beat ends. I don't want to start the beat over. But if I must, I must. This is real time. This is real Plug-Vision shit. You feel what I'm saying? So if I have to start it over, I'm gonna start it over. But I kinda know what the paper look like. Sounding like I'm gonna have to start the fucking shit over. Might gotta reword a couple of words and shit, but this off that G-Mix mixtape. You know, that Picasso music is done already. You know what I mean? So it's on to the next project. You know, I'm just working. Yeah. Right. My God. Where is it at? For real. Uh-oh. Nope. I thought that was it. Fuck. I can't find that shit, man. Fuck. Gotta be in this. I'm telling you, this is all shit that I wrote when I was in prison, my nigga. You know what I mean? This is all prison shit. So this shit is from years ago, but the crazy thing about it is my old shit is crushing these niggas' new shit. You feel me? Really. I got R&B shit in here, gospel music, cause when I was in the Bing, I had wrote a whole gospel album, you know what I mean? But I'm trying to find this shit. Hold up. Nah. I think it's on the regular paper. You feel me? Like this shit is right here. This shit right here. Look, I'm gonna show y'all. Damn, hold on. Let me start the beat over again, cause I really want y'all to, you know, I want it to be real. You feel me? See me finding this shit. But yeah, I was about to show y'all, like, this shit is like, nigga, read the bottom of that shit, man. This is when I was in the Bing, my nigga. You see the bottom of that shit, you know? Word. You feel me? Like, and I mean, some of this shit got dates on it and shit. Some of this shit got dates. You feel me? That's 04. You know what I mean? Like, and I'll record that song in And it's just like how Big and Pac shit, you can still play that shit right now to this day. And then keep up with the bullshit that's out on the radio right now. I'll record that shit and it'll be like I just wrote it, man. Ben had this skill, man. Ben had this talent, yo. You know? Oh, fuck, my back's starting to hurt. Word. Let me pull up this chair, man, because it don't look like this motherfucker want to be found right now. It's trying to tell me that it don't want to be recorded or something. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, man. There you go. Alright. This is it right here, man. You know what I mean? Yeah. I knew I would find that motherfucker. Alright, let me start it over. Start the beat over. Alright. Look what I said. What I said. Look. I said, don't ever think that shit is sweet, nigga. I love the toe heat. Hug my burner when I'm sleep, nigga. I love the tuck heat. Fuck all that nigga. I love the toe heat. That's not the anything. I love the toe heat. Hey, I ain't worried, but the truth is, babe, I love the toe heat. The song is only just the one. Duke, I love the toe heat. Call me Plug, now you know why. I love the toe heat. Plug a slug in your right eye. I love the toe. I think you stick up kids, you know this nigga love the toe heat. When aggravated, I just reach to my waist. Gun speak. Been collecting semi-auto since I turned 14. So all you niggas trying to scheme, y'all gon' have to creep me. Y'all gon' make me drop the mic and bring the drama to the streets. 211s, 187s, you'll get murdered on the street. When the pigs get the sirens and the runners gon' flee. Bodies laying on the ground, blood and guts is all you see. You should end the player hating on what you'll eat. That's it. Alright. Yo, look. I'ma get it together. I gotta learn it again. Oh, man. Teeth looking crazy. Not that crazy. But anyway, Plug Vlog number 2. Working on this G-Mix project right now, man. Just trying to, you know, y'all see the shit that I had to go through to find this shit? But it's all in a day's work, man. My days consist of waking up, sharing the music, you know, logging off, making the music, listen to it repeatedly, you know what I mean, logging back on, sharing it again, you know what I mean, and networking, basically talking to the fans, talking to the people out there. I'm about to ask y'all the question too about this hair thing, you feel me, but yeah, man, it's unplugged, man, you know what I mean, I'm working, so I'm about to drop this whole G-Mix mixtape, you feel me? Just remixing all of the hottest shit, you know what I mean? Not even the, cause some of the hottest shit is not the shit that's out right now. You feel me? I'm a 80s baby, so some of the hottest shit to me is some shit from the past, you feel me? R&B, yeah, I'm gonna get in that booth and I'm gonna get my little ooh on, but yeah, it's unplugged, man. Love.